Indian authorities have seized the assets of 4 persons in the Kupwara district. The confiscated properties include 9 canals and 11 marlas of the land in the Handwara area of the Kupwara, valued in crores. This action was carried out under the draconian law, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Indian police have arrested 5 individuals in the Kishtwar district, charging them under the Repressive Public Safety Act. The detainees include Muhammad Abdullah Gujjar, Noordin, Ghulam Nabi Chaupan, Muhammad Jafar Sheikh, and Muhammad Ramzan. The authorities in occupied Kashmir are increasingly targeting the Kashmiris on various pretexts, with the underlying goal being to intimidate the local population. All parties Hurriyat Conference in a meeting held in Srinagar urged the Kashmiris to remain vigilant against the Modi regime's attempts to advance its Hindutva agenda in occupied Kashmir. APHC warned that no individual or group should collaborate with the BJP RSS. The meeting also condemned the ongoing human rights abuses, including extrajudicial killings and arbitrary arrests. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, and APHC AJK chapter during a prayer meeting in Islamabad paid glowing tributes to Allama Muhammad Iqbal on his birth anniversary. They lauded Iqbal's unwavering support to the Kashmiri people's struggle against the Dogra regime.